Good morning, students. We are studying the chapter number 3, admission of a new partner. This is the lecture number 2, and we are going to learn calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Okay, how we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the partner. Okay, so we will study here. It is a totally mathematical chapter. It's a total depend on based on arithmetical maths. Whoever studied in the class 7, whatever we have studied in the class 7th or 8th, or whoever studied in class 7th and 8th, then he or she can do very easier way. Okay, so we will do and we will learn how we will calculate the new profit sharing ratio of the partner. When a new partner will come in the partnership form, then we have to give what? The share of profit to that partner. Okay, and what profit we will give? That we will learn how we will calculate to that ratio. Okay, so the question will arise. See here, I want to give one example and I want to make you learn in a very easier way with an example. Okay, first of all we will learn calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Okay, new profit sharing ratio, NPSR. Getting, my dear friends? So what we see, suppose A and B, there are two partners. A and B, there are two partners. Okay, they distribute their profit loss in 1:1. They distribute their profit loss 1:1. Okay, and C is another partner, and he will enter in the partnership for 1/3. For what share of profit? For 1/3. Getting the order? So how we will calculate? First thing, if this type of question is given in the book or in the in your exam, then how we will solve to this type of ratio? If A and B, there are two partners and they distribute their profit sharing ratio 1:1, and when C will come for 1/3, then what could be the new ratio? What will be the new ratio? So we will calculate. Suppose A and B, there are two partners and C is coming for 1/3. So suppose the whole profit is 1. The whole profit is 1. Let the whole profit is 1. Okay, any doubt? If you are not getting how can the whole profit is 1, so you can see this whole profit. This is the whole profit, and it is distributed in the ratio 1:2. 1:2 means we can say 1/2, 1/2. So the whole profit of the firm will be 1. Getting you all? Okay, C is coming for 1/3. It is clear in the question. So we will give to that amount of profit to C. Okay, see here, remaining shares after given to C, so 1 the whole profit, and we are giving what? 1/3 to C. The remaining profit will be 2/3. 2/3 you are getting? Not getting? So 3 will be LCM, 3 minus 1, and we will solve, then 2/3. Okay, so the remaining share will be 2/3 after giving to C. Getting? And this ratio remaining, that will distribute 1:1, means 1/2 A and 1 by 2 B. So how do we distribute? 2 by third A share, 2 by third into 1 by 2, 1 by 3, as it is B, 2 by third into 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So it will be B ratio. So we are getting what? The new ratio is 1 by 3 of A, 1 by 3 of B, and 1 by 3 of C. A, B, C. So we can write 1:1:1. This will be the new profit sharing ratio of the partner. This is the old ratio 1:1 between A and B, and this is the new ratio. Getting over? This was the first condition. This is the very simple conditions, and if this type of question will come, you can solve very easier way. Okay, we will see here what in the next condition. Suppose what C is coming for 1/3. C is coming for 1/3 of the profit. Okay, C is coming for 1/3 share of the profit. Okay, and he is taking off equally from A and B. Suppose the second condition is, the new condition is 1/3. C is taking 1/3 of the profit. Okay, and he is taking from A half and from B half of 1/3. Suppose half of 1/3 will be, we can calculate 1 by third in half, 1 by 6, as it is 1 by 6. Yeah, means 1 by 6 he is taking from A and 1 by 6 from B. So what we will do? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3. B 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3, and C is getting for 1/3. The new ratio will 1:1:1. This will be the second condition of the partnership firm. Okay, in the calculation of the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, one more conditions I want to tell you. Suppose in the question 1 A and B, there are two partners. One is to 1. They distribute their profit. C is taking from A. Listen. From A 1 by 6 and from B 1 by 6. Then what we will do? Directly it is given from A, from B. One thing I would like to tell you, if in the question the word of and the from, when of will come, then it will multiply, and from will come, then it will minus. It's a trick you can note down. Some students cannot understand where we will minus or where we will into multiply. So all these things for it's a trick. Where the of will come, what we will do multiply, and where the from will come, that we will subtract. Okay, so see here. C is taking from A 1 by 6 of his profit, and B from 1 by 6 from. What we will do? We will directly minus A share after giving to C 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, 1 by 3, and C is coming for 1/3. Then new profit sharing ratio 1:1:1. So these all are conditions I am explaining through a very simple example. You can put different type of digits, different type of share, and you can easily calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Very easier way. Okay. So my dear friends, So we will start what? Sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio what would be? We have learned the calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Suppose A and B, there are two partners and they distribute their profit sharing 1:1. So the new profit sharing ratio will be 1:1/2 and 1/2.